Hi everyone, and welcome to my sister locks journey. I'm so excited to share this experience with you. So I've just got my installation done, and this is me getting it done right here. I got it done in Harare for $100. So let's dive into the process. So here at home, the loctician did a home visit and ready to start the transformation. So this has been a decision that I've thought about for a while, and Sister Locks are all about embracing natural beauty. So I'm so looking forward to the new look. My stylist was amazing, and she really took her time to make sure that everything was perfect. It took 3 days. So the process starts with parting hair, which is super important. It's what gives the sister locks that neat, structured look. So that's what I like. I was blown away by how precise my stylist was. Each section was carefully planned, and she did very small ones to suit my hair texture and desired volume. So I've got quite a high volume of hair. So the locking process itself is quite intricate. It's done with a little tool to create those tiny uniform locks. So it took her hours and hours, 3 whole days. But honestly, time flew by, guys. We had fun. I couldn't believe how quickly my hair started to take shape, and I'm already loving how the sister locks are. There's so much I can do with them as they mature, but at the moment I've been told to trust the process. So here's the look at the progress. As you can see, the sections are so neat, very tiny, and uniform as well. So I've been natural for quite a while. But it feels like a new chapter in my hair journey, and that's one that I'm going to share with you. So here's the final results. I'm going to show you photos. I'm absolutely in love with sister locks. They are light, they feel amazing. I can already tell this is going to be such an empowering experience about embracing natural hair. So yep, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my journey.